Hello all. This video is all about the introduction to embedded system design and the instruction set of the architecture MSP430. The instruction format. So in the previous videos we have learned 8085 microprocessor instruction sets and 8086 microprocessor instruction set. So here we are going to learn about the instruction set in microcontroller MSP430. There are three types of formats of instructions. One is the double operand, single operand, and the dump and the jump. So double operand means with the help of two registers, the instructions will be there. Single operand is only one uh, address or one operand will be there. Jump instruction is quite common. So the three examples are given here. The first example is add R4, R5. So in add R4 and R5, R5 contents will be added with R4 and it will be stored in the R5 register. So this is the main work or the functionality of dual operand. Source register will be there and the destination register will also be there. Arithmetic and logical operations can be performed with two operands because when we do addition operation or subtraction operation, NAND or NOR operations, we of course need two operands. So this double operand instruction set or the instruction format can be used. Both operands can be specified in the same instruction itself. This contracts with accumulator based architecture, whereas an accumulator or the working register is used automatically as a destination and one as the operand. That is, two registers will be there. One register will be added with another register and the data or the result will be stored in the destination register. Next instruction format is the single operand, a mixture of instructions for control or to manipulate a single operand which is effectively the source for the addressing mode. So the example mentioned here is called R8. Here what happens, the program counter will turns on, R8 will be called and R8 will be stored in the program counter. Only one register will be there, only one data will be there, which will be stored to the program counter. So the final destination is nothing but the program counter here. Next one is a jump instruction format. The jump to the destination rather than its absolute address, in other words, the offset that must be added to the program counter. Jump on equal bit is equal to 0. Relative jump or unconditional jump. So jump J in E, one address is there, then so if it is not 0, then move on to this instruction would be the meaning. We have addressing modes as like 8085 microprocessor and 8086 microprocessor. The addressing modes are of 7 types. First one is a register mode, indexed mode, symbolic mode, absolute mode addressing, indirect register mode addressing, indirect auto increment mode addressing, and immediate mode addressing. So register mode is nothing but Rn, where the registers will be mentioned directly in the instruction itself. Say for example, if R1 is there, then we have to perform the operation with R1 register. Register contents are the operands. Whatever data is stored in the register, it is nothing but the operand. Indexed mode is nothing but X or Rn. Rn can be the register here also. Rn plus X points to the operand. X is stored in the next word. Symbolic mode means add R. The program counter plus the X points to the operand. X is stored in the next word. Indexed mode X of PC is used. So absolute mode is the next instruction set, which is nothing but AND ADDR. The word following the instruction contains the absolute address. X is stored in the next word. Indexed mode is nothing but X of SR is used. Indirect register mode means at Rn. Rn is used to store as a pointer to the operand. Indirect auto increment at Rn plus. Rn is used as a pointer to the operand. Rn is incremented afterwards by 1 for B instructions and by 2 for .w instructions. So if we are mentioning .b in the instruction, then R1, say for example, R1 register will be incremented by 1. If .w instructions are used, then R1, say for example, R1 register, it will be incremented by 2. Next one is the immediate mode. Immediate mode will always be having #n in the instruction. The word following the instruction contains the immediate constant n. Indirect auto increment mode at PCC at program counter plus is used. So these are the addressing modes of MSP430 microcontroller. I hope you would have enjoyed learning in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.